Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. As you can see, you join us in, I can't even say it, Chama Gaucha, which is a Brazilian steakhouse, a bit like Rio that me and Emma went to back in Newcastle. And guess what? It's our anniversary. Whoop whoop. Lots of meat soup. Spot the difference. Terry goes to the salad bar and gets meat and cheese. Everybody else got salad. As you can see, my first meats have arrived. And water, thank you. Now the idea is you have this card, you show it on green, they keep fetching the meat, put it on red, and they stop. Oh my god, this is outstanding. Chris needs to catch up.
Just, you know, warm on the outside. Whoops. There we go. Thank you.
And that is how the meat comes. The meat sweats are beginning. They are beginning. How are we feeling, Chris?
I'm getting full.
The card's on red for now. Well, we've tapped out on the meats, but we've managed to make some space for creme brulee. So that's what we're waiting for now.
Not really.
It'll
I might take a bite of it, that's pretty much it.
That's what she said. Anywho.
I don't need to count the years. I just go by the year.
15 years.
I'm not.
There is the creme brulee with a little message. Happy anniversary. And it's 15 years we've been married. And I knew that without having to work anything out at all.
So Terry, how was your meal at Chama Gaucha?
It was very nice. He had a lot of the meat, and I have the meat and sweat.
Emma?
Really enjoyed it. Really good.
Deb?
You know I love this. Always.
I could use a nap now. I'm completely full. No room for anything else. So I think we're going to go home.
This is strange. I'm getting interviewed on my own camera.
Yeah.
This is great. I now have a crew.
You now have a crew.
So if this is your first time watching this channel, you really should subscribe to it. Terry's got a discount going on right now. It's free until the end of the year. So all you have to do is click the little subscribe button down there. It will cost you a dime. Okay?
Or a penny.
Or a penny, or a tuppence.
Or a pound.
Or a pound. So subscribe to it. Right? Go ahead, do it. I'll wait. Good job. Good job. Speaking of which, if you haven't done it yet, now it's time to do your job. Bye.
Thank you.